guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to the mountain. It's very sunny so I can't see where am I going. But I'm pretty sure we're going to the waterfall. So, there's a big waterfall over there. And I don't know how big it is. It's really big. I wish I could go in there, but I can't. We're just gonna go with my dad. So we're just going to this waterfall. Beautiful view. And I wanted to do another chocolate and Benji video, but I couldn't. My dad wanted to take me to the mountain. But it's pretty fun. Really closely. You see the water fountain. So our waterfall is really big. I don't know where it starts or where it ends, but I'm pretty sure it ends up there. Keep going, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So we are going to see the beautiful view. It's okay if the sun's in your eyes. Just put on sunglasses or something. Oh, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Because let's go closer to this mountain. Wow, oh my god, it looks so big. This. And up there, I don't know what's up there. But all the way at the tippy top. So starts and ends. So, it's gonna be a short video. Very cool. And I love it so much. Turn the brightness. So, oh, the waterfall is so cool. Ah! Oopsies. Keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going, man. Keep going, let's keep going. Let's go near the waterfall. Got those branches there. Short video, short time. Not that much to see, just a beautiful mountain. Greg, what are you doing? Ah,